I did get curious and I dug around and got at least some of the trains back working. And it was even on the right side. Did you see that? I believe it's about to cross over here. Yeah. Now it does that because there's no room in the station, so that's kind of nice. Cross back over, having galloped through the station, and it'll go and park. I think this one coming is the nicer of the two. They're both schools, but I like the black one better than the green one, I think. I will say that the black one time it was running down that ramp and there was a grinding noise. And what had happened is its front wheels had come off. Or one of the wheels came off one of the axles. Never seen that happen before. This particular locomotive, if it does come undone or comes off the track and you just reach over and try and put that front set of wheels on the track, it's going to bite you. The connecting rods have got a sharp point on the front. Yeah, the connecting rods and valve gear pinch your finger. Ask me how I know. Well, good night. Now the trains are running, I can sleep well. Note to self. Reverted to number 3. As did one of the trains hiding in there. As did one of the trains on the programming track. Well, at least that one's in the right place to get fixed. Happy modelling, Happy New Year. See you in the next one.